Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to rearrange highlight order on Instagram. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So we have to remove and re-add highlights. So first go to your Instagram app. Once you get there, go ahead and tap on your Instagram profile on the story highlights section below your bio. Tap and hold on the highlight you want to move until a menu appears. Choose Edit Highlight. Tap on Edit Cover and change the cover photo optionally. To rearrange, you can remove the highlight temporarily and then re-add it in the desired position. Tap Remove from Highlight, and also you want to lose your stories, they'll still be in your archive. Now go back to your profile and add new story to the highlight and choose the specific highlight you want the story to appear in, and just go to plan ahead. When you create a new highlight, plan the order carefully. The order in which you create the highlights often determines the sequence. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.